beautiful. So today we are doing the video that has been trending, that is the mixing all your foundations together and mixing all your primers together. I will be doing both because why not? So I thought I'd give it a try. I don't have a lot of foundation, so it's not like I have like mixing like 100 foundations. I did declutter my foundations. I'll leave that link down below. But my primers and foundations are in here. This is all I have. This is still a lot. I don't need this much. And sorry about the lighting. It's 4 o'clock right now, so the sun is starting to move. So we're going to try this out. I am going to use my LA Colors I Struck Naked eyeshadow palette. I don't know why I even named it, but I'm just going to use the inside of this because it's just like plastic and I could just like wipe it off when I'm done. We're going to start off with primers, of course, so let me just grab one. So this is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer in 100. Wet n Wild Matte Primer. The new Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. Do the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer in Clear. Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. Josie Maran Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm in Etheric. Lastly is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is a sample one. I'm going to try to get some product out of here. All the primers right there. I don't really have like a spatula to like mix this. I'll just use the back of tweezers. And show you guys. Mix this all together. I'm going to take a little bit. You really don't even need that much, but have some right there. And put it on. Covering up my pores, which is good. So now we're going to go on to foundation. CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation and Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Gonna take a little bit. Forever Ultra HD Foundation in 117. Almay Clear Complexion 4-in-1 Blemish Eraser. This is in the color 100 Ivory. L'Oreal True Match Foundation. This is in the color Light Ivory W2. Maybelline Dream Wonder Fluid Touch Foundation. This is in the color Porcelain Ivory. CoverGirl Advanced Radiance with Olay Age Defying Foundation. This is in the color, I don't know, 105 Ivory. Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in the color Light. Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is in the color 140. Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation. This is in the color Ivory. CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous Foundation in Classic Ivory. e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is in the color Porcelain. CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Fresh Complexion Foundation in Classic Ivory. NYC Smooth Skin Liquid Foundation. This is in the color Soft Beige. Neutrogena Shine Control Makeup. This is in the color Buff. This is what the packaging looks like. Taking the back of this. I'm gonna mix all these foundations together. That is what it's looking like right. What? I got it on my finger. Hold on. Hold on. So we are going to take my damp nude beauty blender and we're just going to dab some and see how this looks. Because this can either turn bad or good. So let's just go. Not a bad color. It looks really dark. Like about a shade. It's about a shade dark, which I can deal with. Yeah. It seems pretty full coverage because half of these foundations are medium to full coverage. I thought it'd be like really thinned out. It looks really good, like it just covered that pimple here. Here's the thing, a lot of people who do this, like, it turns out good, but it's like you're not gonna mix all these foundations like every day to get like a nice coverage. So let's be real, like we just wasted all this foundation because pretty much half of that I'm not even gonna use, which I'm just gonna like wipe away anyways. That's really good coverage. Smells weird. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish my makeup and I will be right back. I would say try it out if you are a YouTuber or a person who just has a lot of foundations. Just try it out and see how it works for you. But I really like it and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a like, and if you're new here, please subscribe. It's free. And I don't have anything else to say, but if you're wondering about this lip, it is with Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bare to Commitment, and that's what I used like all over. And then on top, I used the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in Imperial Light, and I just put this all over. And it's really pretty, and I think that's it. And I have nothing else to say to you guys, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!